Class, I forgot to add something, which is the label. So when you tap label, so in the label, you must write the ID. So I'll need to be including the ID. Okay, before I include the ID, let me just write something first. Let me just put a first name here. The ID and classes are used for selecting element in it. When you tap on this, you can see that when you tap on this, it's trying to align. Sorry, it's trying to highlight my text. But when the ID value and the for value are the same, when you tap on this, it will this particular part will be focused. Let me show you what I mean. So you set the ID to first name, then set the first name, save. Now when you tap on this, you can see this place is what becomes what focused. So that's why we use the word for, so that the label and the content can recognize and the input can recognize each other. So I'll just copy this and I'll use it for the rest too, so that I will save myself some time. Okay, so I will just change this to last name. Change this to last name. Then change this to what? Telephone. Telephone. Then change this to what? Email. Then set an ID here for email. Okay, put an ID here. Email. Sorry. Telephone. Oh. Okay. An ID here. Sorry. Last. So you save. When you refresh everything. So when you tap on this, it becomes focus. You tap on this place becomes focus. You tap on this, it becomes focus. You tap on this, the email becomes what? Focused. We can see that it is getting what? Much more what? Interesting. Now we can dive on to the next thing. So what we are going to look at is the um gender. Let me just put the label. And let me put the for tag. Then save. Now I want to have an input of radio button. Radio. So I want to have a name of okay, I want to have a name of gender. Sorry, let me put it into the small letter. Then I want to set the ID to gender. Okay, I don't need any placeholder, so I'll be putting a span. I want to say male. So let me quickly show you before I continue what happens. Okay, I forgot to include the line breaks here, 2 line break. I forgot. So you save this. You can see this one is for male, so that's why I'm still. That's why I just show you that one. So I need to do forward female. So I just have to copy this from female and forward custom. So just tap female and you have the custom. Now, if you click on this, it works. When you click on this one automatically what comes here and see, because they have the same word name. So that's the importance of what of name. So then the last thing I'll be putting, the second to last thing I'll be putting here will be a text. It will be a text area. So the text area. Okay, let me just come down here. Maybe I will need to shift this one save now. Okay, because my name will be, what name should I give it to? Let me just call it text area anyways. Then the ID will be text area. Let me put a label before it. Label. And for what? Text area. Then I want to call, I just say write about yourself. So you save. Now a text area is just some sort of box. You can see it's just some sort of box that you can just type some content. Sorry. Now you can just type some tap. Oh, pardon me. Now you can just type some word content in. And so that's what the text area is. So you can just animate the starting and the ending and the rest of them. You can just type some content in the word, a text area. So let me just clean this. Now we can increase. So this column means so if you set the column to like 50, see what happens. You can see the width what increases. So if you set the row to like 50 also, see what happens. The height will increase also. You can see the height will increase. So you can specify the text area you want. So I'll just be putting into what 30 that 30 10. I think that one is okay. Okay, well I can just put it to that 50 10. So you see everything is what okay. So I think I will close the curtain. Okay, you can just put let me quickly put right. So you can just put some content here. Right. This is a value. You can see you find it here. Right. If you click on this, you have to edit it so I can start typing. I hope. Okay, sorry. So starting from the right position you should start from. So now we can start typing in our what text area. I think that's why I'll drop the curtain for now. So I'll be continuing this lecture in our next class. So have a good day and see you in next class.